Hello everybody and welcome to my channel. Today we are going to do lemon thyme. It requires 180 to 200 days. It requires full sun and it's flavored, it's edible, and this is what we're going to be transplanting today. I'm going to be transplanting it in this pot. I'm gonna have to edit this out anyway, so today we are using Miracle Grow, and the reason is it's enriched moisture control potting mix. It helps to protect against over and under watering, which is great for the plants. And it absorbs 30% more water and releases it to roots as needed. This is very important. It's great for indoor and outdoor containers. So this I'm going to be using for whatever reason. And this is the bag that we are using. So how do we transplant this? So the way that we're going to transplant this is we will take this out. I need to fill this with some dirt. You don't have to get me right now. So this is some dirt from my bag. And we'll just crumple it up a little bit and we'll pour it in. Make sure it's nice and broken up. Now we'll make a little center. And then what we'll do is we will dump this upside down. You see the holes? I will push just to release it a little. And we will bring this into our little hole there. And we will push this down. And then I will take some more of my dirt. And I will pour around. Just press a little just to give it a make sure it's in there nicely. And then always after you plant, okay, not the greatest. So always after you plant, you transplant, you always have to add a little water. Not too much, just a little to moisturize. This is how you transplant lemon thyme. And this will be a great addition to our basil, our broadleaf thyme. And we'll show you some recipes that we use this with. And I don't know what else to say.
You just keep going, keep going, keep going. You just keep going, keep going, keep going. You just keep going, keep going, keep going. You just keep going, keep going. Keep going. You just keep going. Keep going.